Livestock farming accounts for 18% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Half of this is methane gas produced from animals' burps and farts. We highlight methane because it's 23 times more potent than carbon dioxide in causing global warming. Nitrous oxide emitted from livestock manure also contributes significantly to greenhouse effects. Ruminants like cows and sheep have multiple stomach compartments, allowing gut bacteria to break down and ferment food, producing methane gas. A single cow emits around 70 to 120 kilograms of methane each year, equivalent to the greenhouse gas emissions from a small car. Furthermore, methane from manure processing facilities contributes another 10% of livestock-related emissions. But we can't blame cows for burping. The real issue is raising too many cows on our planet.